many fights ago, to be honest with you. Over it goes. Now, can BB Mareep right itself? No, I don't think so. Didn't the fair one Propellent? It's all over. Friendly fire. Puts an able. Mareep's trying. Come on. You can do it. You're not bad. No, I think BB Mareep not got it in him.
That poor sheep has been bowled into the corner.
David is consuming more rather than fight. They've accepted
And now
their
the
fate.
teammates are going free time.
Well, who wins our red versus black then, guys?
Let's go. Off we go. We're ready on the front. Let's see who's the better talent.
So far, red is beating black. You're a betting boy, or girl, or brother. Where is this roulette table going to end? Red's trying to get away, but stuck a little bit unseen there on the floor. Red just on the side of black and turns it over. Stuck on top of the corpse of BB Mareep.
I think that might be it.
I think so.
Maybe not.
Now they want to fight to me. These are keen to blood. BB Mareep long on. Red versus black still going. Giving them a concern for later maybe. Over goes black once again. Well, it's a tournament victory for the 2 against the 1. And a 2-0 display of how good these two featherweights, well, half featherweights are.